Oh, hello. Are you like me? Are you a broke ass? Are you lacking funds? Do you have no money to do anything? And yet you have an appliance such as this fine quality dryer malfunction? But then you need to call 1 800 White Trash Repairman. That's right, 1 800 White Trash Repairman. I don't know much, but I can try. And besides, if you got no fucking money anyway, what else are you gonna do? So that's right, just call 1 800 White Trash Repairman. I'll take care of it for you. Maybe. Thank you.